everyone, welcome to our Nan Hua drumming session. In our session, we will use a simple way to teach you how to play Chinese drum. Today I'm going to teach you our first class called mixing. The first line is 1, 4, 7, 7, 左, 左, 右. Now we're going to play ECG. When you play ECG, you have to raise your hands up. Let's try to play it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed 200. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're moving to the next speed. The next speed is 7, 左, 右. After playing 7, you have to raise your right hand up. Let's try playing 7, 左, 右 on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed 200. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try to play the whole line using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed 200. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's move to the second line. The second line is 1, 4, 7, 左, 右. Let's try to play 左, 右 with the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's increase speed 200. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try to play the whole line using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. play it on a drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 200. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We move to the fourth line. The fourth line is 1, 4, 7, 右走左左右走1、2、3、4. On ECG, you already learned it on first line, second, and third. Now let's try to play 右走左左右走1、2、3、4 with the speed of 70. Ready? 200. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try to link line 1, 2, 3, and 4 with the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. mixing. Take your time to practice so that you can be able to know and play the beats. Please remember to subscribe and hit the like button.